In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with Canva. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the seamless process, ensuring you can effortlessly share your Canva designs through Mailchimp. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to log into your Canva account. If you're new to Canva, it's a powerful online design tool that lets you create stunning visuals. Once you're all logged in, the next step is to open the design you wish to share with Mailchimp. Perhaps it's a beautiful newsletter or an inviting promotional graphic. Whatever it is, having it ready on your screen is essential. Now, when your design is open in the editor, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Canva interface. There you'll find the Share button. Go ahead and click it. This action opens a menu that provides numerous options for sharing and exporting your design. But wait, don't stop there. In that menu, you'll want to scroll down until you reach the option that says See All. Clicking on See All reveals more sharing avenues. It's here that you'll look under the Messaging section. That's where the magic happens, for here you'll find Mailchimp waiting for your action. Click on Mailchimp and what follows is quite straightforward. You'll see an option to connect Mailchimp. Simply click this and you'll be prompted to enter your Mailchimp user credentials. Mailchimp, as you probably know, is an excellent email marketing platform that helps you run campaigns and connect with your audience effortlessly. Once you've entered your email and password, click Login and then Allow. This grants permission for Canva to access your Mailchimp account. Now that the two are connected, you're poised to export your Canva design directly to Mailchimp with just a few clicks. This integration isn't just about convenience, it opens up a new world of possibilities, as using your Canva designs directly in your Mailchimp campaigns can make them more vibrant and engaging. Whether you're sending an invitation to a special event or a product announcement, having those designs there can really make a difference. Finally, after following through all these steps, make sure to click Save. This ensures that all the integration details are locked in and your design work is seamlessly shared with your Mailchimp campaigns. And there you have it. With this guide, integrating Mailchimp with Canva is no longer a mystery, but a manageable task that will enhance your marketing toolkit. So get creative with Canva, share effortlessly with Mailchimp, and watch as your campaigns become more dynamic and visually appealing. Thank you for tuning in, and happy designing.